Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
冷
Next, watch how I pronounce it.
冷 了 冷 冷 冷 冰 冷 冰 冷 冰冷的水从雪山流下，冰冷的水从雪山流下，很冷，很冷。冬天的户外很冷。冬天的户外很冷。冷水，冷水，不要喝冷水，不要喝冷水。
Let's see how to write this character. The two dots on the left indicate a connection with ice, so its meaning is very clear. In Chinese culture, this character not only describes cold weather, but also often means indifferent, calm, or desolate. Ancient Chinese also used it to express tranquility and indifference to fame and wealth, implying calmness, steadiness, and absence of impetuosity. When writing this character, the upper part here should be written wider. Also, pay attention to this part. It is written in one single stroke. Time passed quickly in this lesson. Class is over. Goodbye.